it's very hard to create a message that hits home at every single aspect of perception. I think there's a problem that we might get too carried away with a perception from the media and not consider the perception of the next generation.
Without a shadow of a doubt, like, how are you communicating with them? What are the stories you're telling? What platforms are we using to tell the stories, and are they relevant to young people? I think the way we communicate as an industry plays right into the hands of the skill shortage as well. We need to begin to provide an education about what we do as a sector and provide pathways into the industry at an earlier level. Some people might call it root and branch, going to primary schools and stuff.
The industry's gone from nobody knowing what it is, the industry not telling anyone what it is, to all of a sudden, it's national critical infrastructure, that's why we're having this chat, all of a sudden everyone knows what it is. So then you've got to try and change that message overnight.
Data centres have been critical national infrastructure for years. Blew up in the 80s in the financial boom, absolutely fundamental during the pandemic. Think about a pivot to digital overnight, absolutely fundamental in identifying a vaccine. Genuinely, people depend on this technology in the same way they depend on water and energy and everything else, but without really understanding it.